best camera, so the battery life may not last all day. I don't know. We'll find out. And now it's time to focus on the rest of this. So you see where this T-post goes? It goes right into basically that tree right there, and that needs to be cleared out. When clearing out debris on the side of the property like this, you always have to have somewhere to put it. And especially this property, there's a lot of shit like this, just random logs, big timber, that needs to go somewhere. And for us, it's a big bonfire pit that we burn every year.